Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I want to show you a quick recap on the car, and this is how we picked it up from the customer. It had quite a few blemishes around it from him owning it for multiple years, and he wanted to get it fixed back up. So here it is after I received the car from the body man, and he got it really nice and straight, and we got it all detrimmed and everything is taken off of this car. That way we can get all the edges of it. So this is a lacquer car, so we went ahead and put down a barrier coat of epoxy primer because we wanted to make sure we didn't have any reaction, being a lacquer is a 1K product. So we sealed it up nice with the epoxy, and here I am heading back out to get more of the blocking done on this car. So we used a slick sand in order to have a nice mill on this one to be able to block it and get it really straight. And then after that, we applied our urethane primer. That way we had something as a nice adhesion for our top coat. And you guys see here, we put it down nice and slick for the urethane. That way we had a nice foundation to sand. And here we are now base coating it, putting 2 coats of the waterborne PPG base coat on it. And look how silky smooth that stuff lays out. So we have it based, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit it with our urethane clear from PPG. That's the 2021, really nice high solids clear. And we put 2 heavy coats of that on this one, and this thing really laid down beautifully. All right, so we're back with the Corvette, and the stripe guys here is gonna go ahead and put all the decals on it. That way this thing is a true collector's edition 82 Corvette. So we'll do a little time lapse and we'll show you him putting them on, and then we'll show you the car all finished up here at the end of this video. All right, so this is definitely a task that you're gonna need a professional for, and that's why we left it up to the stripe guy on this one. But look at how this template comes with the stripes for this car. They're all over the place. And he's definitely got his work cut out for him on this one. So we'll give him a minute here and he's gonna get set up and we'll start putting them on. All right, so the job is all finished up, and we got the owner here with us, and we also have the body man that did all the body work on this one. So this is George, and this is Richard here, the owner. And what do you think of the job all finished up?
I couldn't like it any more than it is, and after watching a lot of these shows on TV, Foose has nothing on you. This turned out great.
Well, I'm glad you liked it, and I wanted to get you in on it. And let us know, how long have you had this vehicle here?
I had the vehicle for about 10 years, and it was all original, and I loved it.
Right.
And then it was just time to redo it, and then when I saw your car, actually my friend saw your car and said, no one else is going to paint this car but the Candyman.
All right.
And I couldn't be happier. You know what I'm going to miss the most about the old car?
Huh.
The orange peel.
Right.
I can't find any on this car.
Yeah. All right, so he loves it, and
oh yeah,
I'm glad he's going to be taking it to the shows and winning trophies now.
Passing your card around.
I hear you.
Yeah.
All right, so you see it, and this here was the 82 Collector's Edition that we did from start to finish, and we really enjoyed this one, putting it back to factory with all the stripes and doing the jams, pulling the doors, and getting everything back the way it needed to be. This one was a lot of work, but in the end it turned out beautiful here, and we even put the two-tone on the bumper to give it the exact look that it had when it was bought brand new on it. So I hope you guys like this video of it all finished up here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Can't thank you enough.